Welcome to this video on associations and data. Students generate and work with bivariate data sets that have more variability. They will learn to understand the use of the term scatter plot and associations and describe associations as positive or negative and linear or nonlinear. Here are the essential vocabulary words that will be introduced in the unit. Negative association, outlier, relative frequency, scatter plot. Students will work with scatter plots. Scatter plots show us how two different variables are related. In the example, each plotted point corresponds to a dog and its coordinates tells us the height and weight of that dog. The point on the lower left of the graph, for example, might represent a dog that is 8 inches tall and weighs about 5 pounds. The plot shows that, generally speaking, taller dogs weigh more than shorter dogs. Since a larger value for one characteristic's height generally means a larger value for the other characteristic, weight, we say that there is a positive association between dog height and dog weight. In this example, each point corresponds to a car and its coordinates tells us the weight and fuel efficiency of the car. This time, we see that larger values for one characteristic, car weight, generally have lower values for the other characteristics, fuel efficiency. And so we say that there is a negative association between car weight and fuel efficiency. Students will use two-way tables. Two-way tables are a way of comparing two variables. For example, this table shows the result of a study of relation between meditation and the state of mind of athletes before a track meet. 23 of the people who meditated were agitated, while 21 of the people who did not meditate were agitated. Does this mean that meditation has no impact or even a slight negative association with mood? Probably not. When we look for associations between variables, it can be more informative to know the percentages in each category like this. Of the people who meditated, 66% were calm and 34% were agitated. When we compare that to the percentage of people who did not meditate, we can now see more easily that the group of people who meditated had a lower percentage of athletes who were agitated. The percentages in the table are called relative frequencies.